Studies on itch in patients with burns are scarce. In our study, we evaluated the evolution of itch in patients with burns over a 12 weeks period. Previous studies on itching in burns are often lacking valid and reliable assessment methods. Furthermore, longitudinal studies on the evolution of itch during the wound healing process are scarce. Thus, the research question in our study was: how evolves itching during the wound healing in the first 12 weeks after burns? We conducted a 3-wave longitudinal study spanning the first 12 weeks after burns. And we measured patients at 4, 8 and 12 weeks post-burn. In this overview, you can see the inclusion criteria of the study. Overall, 64 patients with burns were included. For the measurement of itch, we have used the Leuven Itch Scale. This is a self-report instrument that assesses the frequency, duration, severity, circumstances, distress, location, sensory perceptions, consequences, and the management of itching over the period of the past 4 weeks. In this figure, you can see the prevalence of itch post-burn. The prevalence of itch was 71% at 4 weeks post-burn. This declines to 47% 8 weeks after burns and 25% 12 weeks after burns. When we have a closer look at the profile of the itch problem, you can see that for the itch frequency, for the itch duration, a significant decline is observed. For the itch severity, itch distress, and itch consequences, no significant evolution was observed. The conclusion of this study is that itching occurs in 3/4, half, and 1/4 of the patients at 4, 8, and 12 weeks post-burn, respectively. The frequency and the duration of itch significantly decreased during the first 12 weeks post-burn. No significant evolutions were found for the other dimensions that were measured using the Leuven Itch Scale. Indeed, the Leuven Itch Scale is a feasible and appropriate method for longitudinal assessments of itch in patients with burns.